Who you are? We don't use weed killer around here.
What? This is not weed killer. This is the purest ocean water, and it keeps me from drying out on land.
Whatever. As long as it's not weed killer. Excuse us.